Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, For Real! It's Anna here, your tech-savvy buddy, and today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you iPhone users might be dealing with: predictive text not working properly. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Predictive text is like that helpful friend who tries to finish your sentences, but instead of sentences, it's your texts. It's supposed to make texting faster and smoother, but when it stops working, it can be a real pain. And some of you have reported that it has been behaving strangely since the release of iOS 17. So the deal is, the AI that powers the predictive text is still going through its growing pains. Think of it like a teenager. It's got great potential, but it also has its off days. And some of you have even seen the spell check vanish or stop working altogether. But don't sweat it, we're here to talk solutions. Now before we dive into the tech stuff, let's try some quickie solutions. Give your iPhone a nice restart or even a force restart. Then refresh your apps. And if none of that works, that's where we step in. Our first trick is a classic one. We're going to turn off predictive text and then turn it back on. It's simple, just head over to Settings, then General, and select Keyboards. Toggle off the predictive feature, wait a bit, and toggle it back on. If that doesn't do the trick, stick around. We've got more up our sleeve. But before we move forward, here's a quick break. If you're finding this video helpful so far, how about you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment down below. It helps us create content tailored for you. Let's continue with our tech adventure, shall we? Next up, we'll be playing with other keyboard settings. Follow these steps. Go to Settings, to General, then to Keyboards again. Now we're going to turn off and on features like auto-correction, auto-capitalization, check spelling, shortcuts, character preview, and the dot inside quotation marks shortcut. Check if the predictive text is back up and running. If the predictive text is still being stubborn, let's try resetting your keyboard's dictionary. First, go to Settings, to General. Then select Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Take note, though, you'll lose any words you've added to your device's user dictionary. Has your iPhone learned a few of your frequently misspelled words and taken them as gospel? No worries. Just go to Settings, to General, then to Keyboard, and choose Text Replacement. Here, add the misspelled word in the phrase field and the correct spelling in the shortcut field. That's it. Your iPhone will now know better. All right, folks, that wraps up our tutorial on fixing predictive text on your iPhone. Remember, texting today offers so many cool features to make our lives easier, and predictive text is one of them. If any of the tips we shared worked for you, or if you found another solution, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and let's help each other out. As always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to For Real for more tech tips and tricks. This is Anna signing off. Have a techie day.